Hello and welcome again to Androidiya. In today's video, we will discuss about why my WordPress website is a mobile friendly. What does that mean? That means that if someone wanna reach to your website, to your WordPress website, he can reach via using mobiles or phones. So if it's not mobile friendly, that means he cannot reach to your website using his or her phones. So we should fix that issue to drive the traffic to our websites by using them phones or mobiles. So I was on my website's Google Analytics that I integrated with my website, and I noticed that my website doesn't have that much traffic. So it creates a suspicion or a doubt inside me. So I went to tech overview, and I noticed that all of people or lots of people which are coming to my website are from Windows, or they are using their desktop. So I just went to this link to check if my website is mobile friendly or not, and I will leave the link in the description so you can check your own websites too. It showed that my website isn't mobile friendly. Now, what to do? You are not going to make coding or using HTML codes, the ugly codes. You can do that simply by installing a plugin. So let's go to our websites, then dashboard, plugins, add new. Now search for WP Touch. This is the plugin, and I just already installed it and I want to activate it. Keep watching and do as same as I'm doing, and you will end up with same results. Keep watching and do as same as I'm doing, and you will end up with same results. Now all is done, so let's check our website if it's mobile friendly or still not. Oh, it is mobile friendly. In case you are not able to install that plugin, so I have this another plugin, but in this plugin you will end up with this screen, and it needs, and from settings you can reach out to this setting which asking for ID of your Google Analytics. So because of that, if you have any issues with the first plugin, you can add this plugin too and integrate it with your Google Analytics so ID. Then it will fire up and make awesome results. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.